Hi guys, Kanika here, and you're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. And this is video number 4, and we are going to tackle the feeling of feeling directionless with minimalism. By that, I mean that how can minimalism come to the rescue in case currently you are feeling directionless? Okay, now before we even start, one needs to first define what directionless means. You know, it's a kind of misnomer for actually feeling heavy. When I say heavy, there's like a lot of baggage on your head, and you just don't know how to lose it. And because of which, what happens is that you are kind of weighed under the weight or the heaviness. Thus, you can't see beyond the heaviness, right? That is what directionless. The feeling of being directionless means, right? Now, very simple. To get direction again, what do you need? You need to move into motion. To move into motion, what do you need? You need a push from behind, right? And to need a push from behind, what will you need to do? You will need to lose the baggage. Otherwise, the gadi chalegi nahi. Okay? So, as an example, today I'm going to use some thought experiments. Okay? Let's say this is your car. Okay? This is you. Okay? This is a car, and let's say इसके ऊपर ना बहुत baggage पड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है? ये हो गया है. Okay, and you're in the middle of nowhere. That's what you feel. Now, we're talking about the car, but understand that we're talking about you. Okay, so this is in the middle of nowhere in some deserted island or deserted flatland, wherever your imagination wants to take you. Okay, you are kind of weighed under. Now you are obviously standing here, let's say, or actually this is you only. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है सबसे ज़्यादा? It's just not moving. It's not moving, right? Forget looking at directions or where to go. You will actually start seeing scratches on the car. You will start seeing under the interior is kind of messed up and it needs repair. You will start seeing that the tire is maybe punctured, tires are punctured, they need more air. That is what you'll start noticing around this time. This is being in a limbo. Okay, and you will start to micro visualize it instead of macro visualize it. Okay, whereas reality is very far from this, right? Reality actually is, in case you bother to do that for a split moment also, is this. This is you, this is your car, and these are all the directions around you. Okay, but you will not be able to see all this because you're weighed under. Thus, you are feeling directionless. Okay, so understood what directionless means. Not that I have to tell you, but it's always good to dissect the feeling, because then only the process of minimalism can come in, right? Now, I said you have to lose the baggage. Now have another thought experiment, which you can probably apply into your lives and literally lose the baggage, which means adopt minimalism, eliminate. Okay, so here I have some colored water. Okay, this is the baggage. This is tension, stress, negativity, negative thoughts. Okay, and here I have 3 clear water bowls, and I have 1 clear glass full of water, glass full of clear water. Okay, before that, as much as I understand, I've realized that there are 3 main important things which get affected when you're feeling directionless or anything, and those would be career, relationships, and or self. By self, I mean it could be the way you look, your body, your health, everything comes under the self. Your your daily improvement on yourself, your training your mind every day, if that's important to you. Apart from that, it's relationships and career, and somehow they all get muddled up. Isn't that true? How do they get muddled up, and how we can learn to use minimalism? Okay, this is the usual thing that we do. Now, this is stress. Okay, now see what happens. Let's assume that this glass and the water in it represent relationships, career, and yourself. Okay, and now let's say something is bothering you. Okay, that enters. See what happens. This is what happens, and it will slowly rise to the top, right? Slowly, very simple. No, this is what happens. What you've done is, you or I or anybody in that situation, when we feel directionless, we tend to let it affect and literally mix into everything. No, Don't we do that? So career में कुछ पंगा हो रहा होगा, we'll bring that home, and then relationships, whether it being a parent, wife, husband, sister, mother, anything starts getting affected. Friend, everything starts getting affected, right? Or relationship में पंगा हो रहा है, you start taking it to your work, or you will start feeling a feeling of a sense of less worth, or you start feeling unworthy or useless, or that directionless, basically directionless. So one little thing that is maybe not going right is affecting everything. This is on your head, okay? Thus you're feeling directionless. Are you understanding? Hope you're with me, okay? How do we tackle this? It takes time, but if you can understand this, no, then maybe it'll help, okay? So let's move this aside. Now we are starting minimalism. What you're going to do is the three things is career, relationships, yourself. Just write, please, okay? Right. That okay, ये तीन है. Where am I facing trouble? Where exactly am I facing trouble? Okay? So the answer will come. That, oh, it's just work. Okay, I don't like my boss. I didn't get paid. Somebody else got promoted. Damn, this job is not for me. I hate my job. Or relationships. That, okay, right now it's not going fine. What do I do? Shit, my son is not listening to me. Oh God, my parents are not okay with me. Whatever. That's relationship. Okay? Or self. That, oh, Fred, I don't like the way I look. I'm not liking the way I'm treating my health. I need to do something more about my health, and I'm not giving it due attention. Or anything. It can be cosmetic looks, or internally or mental this thing, that why am I thinking like this nowadays? Could be anything. Okay? So through minimalism, just separate them. Therefore what happens, let's say it's only career, तो career में आने दो, ये आ गया career में, ठीक है? Separate them. What did you do? You eliminated the stress seeping into the remaining two things which are crystal clear. Let them be. Please let them be. Compartmentalize. It's very important to compartmentalize your heart into various sections, and let just the thing that is affecting you, tackle that. Deliberate on it in ekant, okay? In like isolation. Tackle it, deliberate over it, think what can be done. And here's a promise from my side. I'm at the end of the video. The promise from my side, from personal experience, is that once you decide to figure out or course correct only one singular thing in your life, and forget about everything else, although it seems like everything else is bothering you, but only one thing, it could be tiny, minute thing, but you start to course correct one thing in your life, everything falls in place. Therefore, the three bowls that I just showed you, if you can just separate them and let only one bowl be adulterated with the stress that you're carrying, then the feeling of directionless will almost be like a non-existent word in your life. Okay guys, hope this helped as always, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.